Okay, class 6. So, since today is the test of chapter number 11 and chapter number 12, please note down the questions. Can you see the question? The first question is, light is a form of fill in the blank. उसके आगे fill in the blank है. Okay, so you can see, please note down these questions in your copy. Note down fill in the blank, all the 5 fill in the blank and all the 5 true and false. Yeah.
Ma'am, you are like of
Ma'am, it's there copy.
Yes. They all write down test first. वैसे I have taken your individual test. This is a combined test of chapter number 11 and 12. Okay. So write down test 3 on the top and then note down fill in the blanks. All the 5 fill in the blank. If you are writing the question with black pen, then write the answer with blue pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, note it down. Note all the 5 fill in the blank from the board and all the 5 true and false from the board.
Ma'am, question answer लिख के सिर्फ WhatsApp क्लास में भेजना है.
Which one? क्या बेटा?
मैम, क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख के मैम ये सॉल्व करके WhatsApp क्लास में भेजना है किसी टीम्स पे.
You can send it on Teams. First note it down and I'll give you more questions. Have you noted down?
No, ma'am.
You haven't?
No, ma'am.
Note it down fast. Note down, then I'll give you more questions from the next chapter. Chapter number 12, electricity and magnetism. Note them down.
luminous object is always of
Now we have to write fill in the blank and true false.
क्या? What बेटा?
मैम अभी हमें fill in the blank और true false लिखना है.
Yes. नहीं, you have to note down the question also. Questions are important. You have to note down the question and then आपको उसका आंसर लिखना है ब्लू पेन से ट्रू या फॉल्स में. Note it down fast. Once you are done, then I'll give you more questions. इनको आपको मुझे चैप्टर 12 से भी क्वेश्चन देने हैं कुछ? Done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If you are having time, you can take screenshot. ठीक है, screenshot ले लो screen का. Those who are having time, वो screenshot ले लो so that I can give you other questions also.
मैम ऊपर करिए मैम थोड़ा, मैम वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स अपनी फर्स्ट मैम दिखाओ ऊपर।
एक सेकंड
मैम उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, प्रिंट आउट लेना है।
Okay, okay, okay. Have you taken?
यस मैम।
Okay, good.
यस मैम।
Okay, good.
यस मैम।
Electricity and circuit, you have to do these two questions. Explain why the bulb would not glow in the arrangement shown in figure 1. You can see the figure and
Draw this diagram.
yes, you have to draw both question number 1 and question number 2's diagram, and you have to do these three questions: question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. What is the purpose of using an electric switch? Okay, what is the purpose of it? What?
मैम ये क्वेश्चंस आल्सो।
Yes. बेटा जिसका आपका टीवी ऑन है, प्लीज स्विच ऑफ द टीवी और म्यूट योर माइक्स. Can you see all the three questions on the board? Question number 3 is, what is the purpose of using an electric switch? Name some electrical gadgets that have switches has built into them. ठीक है? So do these three questions, note them down fast.
अभी से व्हाट्सएप क्लास में भेजना है।
Yes.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है? Yes. I will.
In your personal chat.
Yeah. No, not on my personal chat. Just wait for it. When I'll ask for the answer sheet, you will send it on the group only. I'll check it there. During the WhatsApp class time. Right now, just note down the question and do each and every question.
मैम we can draw the diagram in pencil.
No, it's your choice. If you are having pencil, very good. If you are not having pencil, you can draw the diagram with pen also.
ओके मैम। screenshot?
Yes, you can. You can take the screenshot. If you are having this facility, you can take the screenshot and then do it. And if you are not having screenshot in your desktop or in your tab, you can note down the question from the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you are done, just tell me.
Screenshot, we have to write.
What, beta?
And if we have taken screenshot, we can write only answer.
No, beta, you have to write down the question also. This is for your revision, ताकि आपके पास सारे questions भी रहें. Okay? Before exam, just revise all these questions.
मैम मैथ्स तो फॉलोइंग अपने नहीं करेंगे क्या? मैम मैथ्स तो फॉलोइंग
मैथ्स दी फॉलोइंग मैं उस व्हाट्सएप क्लास पर रहने दे दूंगी होमवर्क में. ठीक है, मैथ्स दी फॉलोइंग एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आई विल गिव ड्यूरिंग व्हाट्सएप क्लास. ओके, अभी आप फिल इन द ब्लैंक, ट्रू फॉल्स और ये जो 3 क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए हैं, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं एग्जाम में. एक्सप्लेन व्हाई बल्ब वुड नॉट ग्लो, डायग्राम वाले क्वेश्चंस. सो दीज क्वेश्चन डू देम राइट नाउ, and match the following and short answer kind of question I will give during WhatsApp class.
Ma'am, during WhatsApp class time, my brother will not. Ma'am, can I send you something?
Okay, beta, no issues. You can. Or you can send me on my personal once you are done.
Okay, ma'am.
You all are noting, right? Yes. Okay. Note it fast.
मैम फोटो
You can take photo. And in next class, that is tomorrow, I am going to give the test, or I will take a test of fun with magnets and air around us. Okay? Note down both the chapters. I will take the test of fun with magnets and air around us. So be prepared for that. Yeah. What are you asking?
Send the answer in the WhatsApp.
Yes, you will send the answer during WhatsApp class. But listen to me, tomorrow I will take a test of fun with magnets and air around us. Okay.